Good evening, this is Shane McDonald from North Sydney, Nova Scotia, giving an update on the tropical storms in the Atlantic Basin and how the storms are going to affect land. At the moment, we have a upper level low that's in the Great Lakes right now. As you see, there's a big spin to it, which is going to give periods of rain to Ontario, and it's going to sit there for a while. This upper level low, it's going to sit there for a little while. And we also have a elongated front off the eastern seaboard, which is going to give rain to places that don't need it, which is the northeast United States and the southern states, North Carolina, South Carolina. They're all going to get rain. And what else we have here is another piece of tropical storm Ophelia, which is just south of the boundary. And we also have another piece of Ophelia that's right here, which looks like it has a lot of convective activity going into it right now. I don't know if this is actually named yet. I don't know, but I think it should, because it got a lot of convected in the middle of it. But the National Hurricane Center might have did that. I'm not sure. I didn't look at it. We also have tropical storm Philippe in the far eastern Atlantic Ocean, and should be to throw a threat to land. Most of the models have it going like this and recurving out. And we also have a low that is way out in the Atlantic, which is right here. It's a cold core low. As you see, it's cold core because look at the cloud tops. Looks like it has a front and a warm front on it. But nothing to worry about that. That's just going to sit there for a while. And in the long run, this got to be watched right here. If it does develop, it could, in the long run, the GFS actually has it trying to develop around here somewhere and then move up and try to affect the Atlantic Canada in the weeks to come, but that's yet to be seen, and we won't know until we get a little closer. But in the meantime, it should just track a little bit west and then eventually move out to sea, close to the Atlantic Canada though, so the next couple weeks gotta watch out there. And for the southeast coast, we gotta watch out for near landmasses development, which is just off the coast or very close down here, and especially the Caribbean. That got to be watched out in a couple of weeks. All the aspects are going towards that. And we also have a lot of dry air in place at the moment. Also, that's making it a little hard for things to develop and to move into places that usually goes towards the United States and Atlantic Canada. There's so much dry air. There's like quite a lot of it here. All there. And we also have a lot of dry air in front of Philippe as well. But there's a lot of wind shear also shearing all these storms. And also sheared tropical storm Ophelia a couple days ago. But anyway, this is my first video. I'm going to do a couple more in the next run. But also, the European model also has either Philippe or Ophelia or a part of Ophelia in 10 days out around here, just sitting there, doesn't know where to go. If that happens, we also have a high pressure system that would be moving east over possible tropical storm or Hurricane Philippe and try to move it towards Atlantic Canada, which is in 10 days from now. It's yet to be seen, but something to watch. But anyway, this is my first video. I'm just gonna log off here and hope you like it. If you got any questions, just give me a shout. Thanks.